She started licking me. The licking is sweet, and
How old are you?
and then it gets so annoying because she will lick.
Yeah, that's a good one there.
You're only 8 years old.
In your ear.
9.
9. Yeah, get that number right, buddy.
Hey, get her up there beside you. Get her up there beside you so she can see.
Ty, you can blow the candles.
Don't let her touch it.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
9. Ready? Connor?
Make a wish. There you go.
I know what he wished for. He told me in his mind.
Hey! He is a blowhard. Yeah.